Thank you, Chalkola, for sending this item to check out. And this is the 16 markers, which have 10 chalk markers for 1 millimeter in size and 6 metallic glass markers. Alright, opening the box. We have the 6 metallic colors: silver, gold, metallic red, metallic pink, blue, green. Avoid heat, suitable for children above 3 years of age. Always test a small portion of your surface first. Contains water-based ink. Child safe, water-based, acid-free, low odor, quick dry. Perfect for wine glasses and permanent work. Getting started with chalk markers. We can look at that later. Alright, metallic chalk markers will be the first one we look at. Put this over here real quick. Alright, we have the markers, the metallic series. They should be dry, not ready to go yet. Oh, I guess not. No, they're ready to go. It's ready to go. They didn't have to be primed. Let's see if they're all ready. Red. Yep. The blue. Ah. Yep. All ready. No priming for the metallic markers. I'm gonna do test of the metallic ones are good for glasswork. It says here that perfect for wine glasses, other drinking glasses, mirrors, small mirrors. Can also be used for other permanent work. Let's just do a glass test here. This is gonna be I keep getting the cap wrong. I guess we let that dry because I already accidentally smudged it a little bit. But just with light touching, it seems they're already dried on there. We'll see how it holds up after some washes. Alright, let's get to the next ones in here. Now we have the 10 chalk markers, 1 millimeter. Erasable on non-porous surfaces. Non-porous chalkboards, plastic ceramics, glass, mirrors. Permanent on porous surfaces. Wood, painted walls, paper, and rocks. Alright. So they shouldn't be primed. As you can see, they need to be primed first. Here's the quick start guide on, I guess, priming. It says pick a marker to use. Shake well with the cap on, pointing upright. So you gotta do this for 30 seconds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, push the tips slightly to release pressure. Note, nibs are dry when they first arrive. Follow step 4 and you get the ink flowing. Okay, so slightly to release the pressure. Alright. Then press the tip to and fro multiple times to quickly get the ink flowing. 1 to 3 minutes. So we're just going to be pressing down for about 1 to 3 minutes to get the ink flowing. Oh, that's there. Didn't take that long. Took about less than 30 seconds. Start writing. Push down on the pen when you need extra ink. Recap tightly after use and store in a horizontal position. I'm not sure if it means horizontal upward or horizontal downward. So it says it should not be permanent. The cap on tightly. It looks like it comes off easily. Rubbing this really hard. It doesn't seem to be coming off. Maybe if you scratch at it. Yeah, of course, scratching at it is going to make it come off. But normal use should be okay. Oh yeah, this has been the Chalkola 16 markers.